Hi! Whoa!
Welcome back to Beau&Roe
Channel!
Yay! We're here very quickly. We're going to show you a fast recipe how to make Christmas bark. We have 12 ounces of white chocolate. Go ahead, there you go. Which happens to be red and green. 6 ounces of dark. We're using milk chocolate, but you can use semi-dark. And some pretzels for topping, semi-sweet. Sorry, thank you, director. And candy cane for toppings. Okay, we'll be back after we melt our chocolate.
We've melted our chocolate, and we're going to start
spreading it out, right?
It out.
Right, for the bark. Here you go.
For the bark.
So first, we're going to go with green.
But you can use any color, but we're using green,
this
red,
is green
and
white chocolate, actually.
Let me hold the thing for you there, Grandma.
What do you want to hold for me?
The bowl.
It's hot. That's why I'm not letting you hold it. Okay, let's spread it out.
And then
We're going to spread it out like that. Oh, here. Let's use this.
Is it enough chocolate?
Here. Here. You ready?
Smells good.
Smells like chocolate, right? So we're going to spread it out.
And we're
going to do this with the...
We put parchment paper so it does not stick.
Okay, we're going to do this. We'll be back. We're going to do it with the chocolate bark and then the red on the top, and then we're going to put our sprinkles on.
And we're putting it in the freezer for like 5 minutes,
5 minutes
in between
layers.
This
See
is
you
our
soon. Go ahead.
milk chocolate layer.
Ready? Let's put it on. Whoop.
Oh. This we can drizzle.
Because, yeah, it melts better. I mean, it's a little more fluid.
Fluid,
Yeah.
baby.
Okay. All right. Let's let go of that and spread it out.
Where's the
Here.
leather?
Here's the spreader. Our green layer already froze in the freezer, so it's nice and hard for us to spread.
Is that what she calls for?
Yeah.
Well, it's not really what she calls for. It's our recipe.
It's just our recipe we're throwing together.
Yeah.
As you can see, we're not using semi-sweet chocolate. We're just making it what we want.
We're using what
We're
we have.
using milk chocolate. Yes. Yeah, I mean, if you don't have something, you could easily substitute as long as you have something similar. So we didn't have semi-sweet chocolate today. We're using milk chocolate.
Yeah. And
as long as you like it, what does it matter?
Yeah, it took around like 3 minutes-ish for the chocolate to
This is going in the freezer now. Do the final layer.
Now we're going to do the final layer, which is red, and we are going to put toppers on.
Okay, you ready? Here. I don't know how to do this since we're both left-handed. Here, get that.
What?
So we can dump some more on here. Ready?
Yeah. Moist.
And have you tasted any of this so far, Beau? What'd you think of it?
Yeah.
What'd you think so far? Yep. Beau's tasted and he thinks it's so good so far. Let's spread it around, Beau.
Bring the
Ready? Got that spatula?
spreader. No.
Right?
I got licks.
Oh, you got what? Oh, you got a lick. Okay. All right. Beau's tasting again. He's ready. Yeah, put it on. Yeah,
grab
Beau.
a handful and do it.
Yeah.
Sprinkle.
Yep.
Sprinkle. Just sprinkle away, buddy.
Go wee. Here, I'll get the other.
Starting to chill because the bottom is so chilled already. Yeah, grab some of this. Oh, you got pretzels. Sorry.
Those pretzels.
Okay.
And we can even put another layer of chocolate over the top. I have to use all of it.
Okay.
I'm using some of these.
Some peppermint. Some candy cane, I guess it is.
Yeah. You don't even have to put this layer in because it's freezing from the layers below.
Let's just drizzle some chocolate on top and cut, and then I think.
Okay, we can do that. Yeah. Oh, Beau's tasting again.
What do we rate it, Beau?
What do you think well, that's just candy, so you're happy with that, aren't you?
Good.
Okay, we're going to get some melted chocolate and drizzle it on top of that.
Now we're just going to drizzle a little chocolate.
Here, I'll give you the spoon. You can do it.
And this is to kind of seal all those toppings in. And to really give it a final coat.
Yeah.
Final touches.
We need a final coat.
We're going to give it final blops.
Hi! Welcome back
To what?
Beau&Roe channel.
Okay, we have our finished product. You want to help me hold that, Beau?
Here.
Okay,
Oh
so
my
it's
God.
not the most beautiful looking thing, but it's got everything in it.
That
Chocolate.
is heavy.
It's heavy. We have candy cane, pretzels, chocolate, and white chocolate in the colors of red and green. And now we're gonna. It's been in the freezer for a little while. It's got nice and solid.
I ate my lunch.
And we had our lunch, and now we're gonna crack it up, right?
And this is what.
See, we have a nice big bark here. Oh, and we're gonna put it in this beautiful Christmas dish. Let's turn it around. Okay, so that's what we're going to put it in as soon as we have it cracked. Okay, Beau, I think we could just, grab half of it
Look at the bottom.
with this hand, like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Oh, and we can just, well, maybe we can't. Oh, it is a little harder than I thought it would be.
Beat it with the hammer.
We're going to beat it with the hammer. Here you go, Beau.
Oh.
Here. I'm going to try breaking it. Whoa.
Yay!
We're losing all our topping. Let's try now. There we go.
I'll break it.
You break it.
Director Luke is here.
Director Luke, it's really hard.
This is
That is really hard.
Yep.
Let an adult do it. Beau, beat it. Ready?
You get.
Come on.
How do we not beat it? Break it, Beau.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, do that. There you go. There you go, Beau, Luke. Earn your keep.
Beat it.
There you go. Earn your keep. But keep your fingers out.
What else I gotta beat?
There you go. Here, these are big. There you go.
Stop.
What?
Watch your.
Okay, I think we're good.
There we go.
Okay.
Layers. There's the 3 layers. Nice and thick. And this piece didn't have any toppings on it.
Just
Yeah.
Just be careful how you break it up. Or maybe you should put your
Grandma,
toppings
we need to
in the middle of the pot. And
This
Beau's going to try it. Go ahead, Beau.
Take a little.
Take a smidge or whatever you want. No, take a piece of
trying to
peppermint
figure
bark.
out-
Here.
Oh.
Ready? Do we wait or?
No, go ahead. Beau's already had some. What do you think?
Very good.
What do you think?
Good.
Are you too overwhelmed?
I inhaled the dust. I inhaled the dust of the peppermint or of the candy cane. It went down my throat.
I like the pretzels on it. Gives it a nice salty
It balances the
contrast.
sweet and
Yeah,
salty.
with the sugar. Plus chocolate and pretzels. Great combination.
I can't get my view because it's
So yummy.
good.
It's so good, but can't give it a review.
Beau's too busy chewing. He can't give his opinion, but he really likes it, huh?
10 out of 10 for me.
10 out of 10 for Beau. How about that? It's not a hard recipe. It doesn't take long. Anyway, it's quick. It's pretty easy.
It's good.
And it's good. And
Minty.
and
Minty.
if you're neat, it's minty. If you're neater than we are,
Here,
it'll probably be
I'll
very
try.
pretty presentation.
That again.
But we're enjoying it. So try it. Come back and see us again.
It's gonna be a whole video.
And what? What do they have to do?
And we have to make the second recipe.
Yes, but what do they have to come back and do? They have to subscribe, ring the bell,
Like,
like, leave a comment.
Leave a comment. Those
And
always
please give us some suggestions for other things to make. And
look, already got one commenter even suggested to make pies.
Okay. Come back and have a very Merry Christmas, and we may be back online with another recipe before Christmas. So this is great for Christmas parties and
It's
Christmas
simple,
Day.
quick.
And just store it easily in a container.
Follow us on Instagram, BAU_and_row.
My Instagram too.
For Beau, at CPCamps.B. Like,
Beau&Roe
comment,
too.
follow, share.
Bye!
And we did have one commenter say that we're kind of like her and her husband.
No comment.
She wants to wait until everything's done. Some nice lady
yeah.
made a comment and said she likes to wait until everything's cooked and done, and her husband likes to test every step, like the dough and everything else. So she said we're kind of like them.